Winston Wilson. You are under arrest by the Time Variance Authority with too many crimes to list. Come out. Extend you the courtesy.
Death by day, player.
Last chance. Throw out your weapons and come out peacefully.
I'm not gonna give you my weapons, but I promise not to use them.
Hi everyone, welcome back to English Tutelage, where English meets real-life powerful expression. Let's check out today's powerful expression.
I like so you have the power to put your finger on the pulse of society.
Put a finger on the pulse of society. It means to really understand what people are feeling, thinking, or experiencing at the present time. Let's check out the example from the movie clips.
What we're really looking for here is a press manager with their finger on the pulse, because
if you don't have your finger on the pulse, then you're not going to be able to connect with the 18 to 29s who are going to swing the election.
Now, it's your turn. Try using this phrase in your own sentence and write in the comment below. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.